He's coming right at us. Do you see him? Okay. Oh, he's nice. Son, you smoked him.
That good?
Yep. He stopped.
You see?
Yep. I see his tail wagging.
Okay, stay on him. He wasn't as big as I wanted, but hell with it.
That's a 130-inch deer.
Well, it didn't take long at all, did it?
Wait a minute, he just laid down.
Did it?
Yep. Earl Wilson, man.
That's what I'm talking about.
Hey, you smoked him right behind the
I
shoulder.
hit him in the grunt. I seen that.
Well,
I thought he
let's talk a minute. Take your mask off. Tell me what happened, man.
I thought when he come behind the tree, he was looking at us. He stepped out and he looked straight up. I was like, oh man, we're busted. He took him up those couple of steps and I had a wide open shot. That's when I stopped him.
Son, we've been in the tree 4 minutes.
4 minutes. 4 lousy minutes. Can you freaking believe it? That's what I'm talking about.
Hey, does that make us even this year?
Hell, we even, but only one thing, it only took me 4 minutes. That's what I'm talking about. He ain't as big as I wanted, but he's hit hard. I know that.
Did you see him dragging that front right shoulder?
Did you see him trying? Yeah, you see him trying to go through.
Okay, he went down through here.
How far did he go? About 80 yards or so?
No, he's a good. He's pushing 100 yards.
But he is down?
I think so. We got to give him some time, though.
Oh, yeah, we'll give him half hour or so. I'll recark. Should I recark this?
I would when we get down.
Okay, but I wasn't going to shoot him, and then I just seen his body was huge, so...
That body is...
His body's big.
Big.
Big. That's what I want. I want a big deer.
He's pushing Pope and Yon, I'll tell you that.
He got a nice taste. He's almost... I think he's about the size of the one you shot.
No, he's bigger than mine.
You think?
Oh, yeah. Well, I don't know. Average it out, maybe. Because mine was tall, but he wasn't real wide. That dude right there's wider.
I can't believe he came in that quick. It's a crazy... That's a crazy...
That's what happened.
That's the craziest thing I've ever seen.
That's what happened when Big Hoss and I were up here. But we sat here for 3 hours. Well...
Might as well lower it.
hell did we get all dressed up for? We could have wore our blue jeans back here and done that. It took us longer, Earl, to get dressed at the base of the tree than it did to shoot it.
Didn't I just pull that bow up? Sand heck.
Dude, I have not been strapped in the tree more than 3 minutes right now.
Oh my God.
Hey guys, Earl's been my best friend for about 4 years now. We've done a lot of hunting together. We help each other drag deer out.
Here, hold on a second.
Family affair outdoors here in Ohio.
I'll try to keep you from blinding you.
From the glare, yeah.
There you go. That's a little better.
Look
at that. I didn't even have my face mask. I just put my face mask on. Just put it on.
Just so everybody knows, Earl was kind of finishing up, and I kept telling him, Earl, there's a deer. There's a buck coming. And
he come right off that corner over there. Nice. Perfect.
We got a great west wind. He came from the north.
I was going to let him come out.
That deer's 220 pounds.
Oh, he's big. I was going to let him go out this way a little further, but I said, no, I ain't going to do that.
I think he was going to go out to that cornfield.
Yeah, I think he was too.
But anyway, folks, I was telling Earl, and he didn't even have his mask on yet, his gloves, nothing. And it was crazy.
I can't see him. You should have seen down here.
You're not going to be able to see him. He's way back here in that thicket.
Hey, when he went down through here, he tried to jump over that log pile, and his leg hit. He almost fell down.
Right here.
Yeah, right back here, yeah.
We're going to have to track some blood, Earl, because there's no way I'm going to be able to see that where I see him from here.
If you want to stay there, I'll get down and go down a little ways and see if I see him. I'll go down to that wood pile and stop.
Well,
just keep your eye on.
He's straight, almost parallel with that tree right over there. It's got the Y in it.
Okay. So he'll be to my left.
All right, guys. It's been about 40 minutes since Earl shot his buck. You got blood anywhere there? Oh, right on the tree. Yeah, go that way. Let's follow him. Keep an eye out, man. Make sure we don't... Huh? Oh, yeah, he's toast. I've seen him go down from the stand, but I'll never be able to find him down there in that. Yep. Wow, folks. Look at there's the arrow. Look at the blood just straight out. Look at that. All right, I'll keep going. He kind of went left right there. Look at the blood on the side of that tree. Right there. Yep. He's just spraying it out. I'm surprised he made it over these. I know, I'm surprised he made it through that. We've went about 50 yards now. How did he make it through there?
He actually hit this.
I know.
It was like
Bulldozer.
He was like, yeah, he was like a tank coming through here.
Yeah. This is where his rear end was getting a little sideways. Look at the blood on the side of that tree, folks. Look at that. Blood, 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 blood. More blood, more blood. Okay. Right there. Hell, even I can see that. Okay, Earl, this is about where I lost. He's right up here in this thicket. Hell, look at the rub on that tree. Blood right there. Yep. Now, see, there's another double stand of mine up here we ain't used in years up here. So. Huh?
Oh my God. Look at that.
Look at that, folks. Look at the blood there. And there. Look at right there. Oh, this must be where I stopped.
This is crazy.
How did he get through that?
I don't know.
Okay, well, let's keep following.
Oh, I'm staying on him. He can't be fast. He fell down right there.
He fell down right here. That might be where I seen him fall.
You might have to back out.
No. Not as the amount of blood he's losing. It's been 30 minutes. Find him? There he is, ladies and gentlemen. Family Affair Outdoors here in Ohio. Earl Wilson, give me some skin, my man. Here. Drag him over here so we can see what he looks like. Here, I'll go around this side. Look at the body on that. Another Ohio whitetail.
How you like that heart shot?
Yep.
Not as big as I want, but proud to have him. Nice old buck.
Really nice deer, Earl.
Yep. Nice body on him. Huge body.
Congratulations, man.
Huge body.
Well, I killed a deer, my buck, on one of your lands.
Yep.
You killed a buck on one of my lands this year.
Unbelievable. 2.5-year-old.
Yep. But look at the body, though.
Yeah.
You might be right. Your deer and my deer just about could be twins.
Yeah, yours is taller. This left side's weak, but yours is all pretty much connected. He didn't go too far now, did he? Look, right on the edge of the field.
I bet he went close to about 60 yards, 70
He
yards,
probably went
100.
That blood was just a pumping out of him. Well, you want to get a picture from the girlfriend?
Let's get a bunch of pictures.